Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Belling range oven, the clock reset. So what you have to do is super simple. First, you just want to press this like middle button like 1 time or 2 times until you are going to see here the clock, and it's going to like beep there, and you can like beep and you're gonna see the clock there. Then what you want to do is just like press the plus button or the minus button, and press and hold the plus or press and hold the minus to actually change the time. And when you're gonna do it, and when you're gonna change the time to what time you want, then you're gonna press like 2 times again the middle button, and this is how you're gonna actually like change the time. So first, what you want to do is you want to press it 1 time, this middle button, then 1 to 2 times. Here you're gonna find a clock, you're gonna hear a beep, then you're gonna change time with the minus or plus, and then you're gonna press this middle button again 2 times, and that's how you're gonna do it. So have a great day and goodbye.